Here is a list of 50 React.js projects in 5 minutes. These project ideas can provide you with ample opportunities to explore React.js, integrate APIs, work with databases, and create dynamic and engaging user experience. Remember to challenge yourself and have fun while building these projects. I hope to see similar love which you have shown in my previous videos on the similar topic. Also, I have not one but 2 bonus in this video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. These projects gets challenging as we move down the list, so if you already know some of these, have patience. I am sure you will find something interesting from this video. Hey friends, my name is Devastar Jumal and I am a software engineer at Jio Platforms, and I have completed my BTech in IT from IIIT Vadodara, and on this channel I make videos related to software development, tutorials, tips and tricks, and I share some of my experience. So if you are interested in these kind of topics, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you find this video helpful. 50 projects in 5 minutes. So let's discuss some beginner level projects. To-do list app, you already know this. Counter app, calculator, random code generator. Create an app that displays random codes fetched from an API. Weather app, build an app that fetches weather data based on user input location. Image gallery, BMI calculator, timer stopwatch, simple blog, create a basic blog platform where users read and write blog posts. Recipe app, develop an app that displays recipes including ingredient and instructions. I have also developed this during my college days. So now let's discuss some intermediate level projects. Develop an e-commerce website. Create a real-time chat application using libraries like Firebase and WebSocket. I have already created a video on this, so if you want, you can check out on my channel from the link in the description. Movie show database, task management app, social media dashboard. Design a dashboard that displays social media analytics and statistics. Create a personal portfolio website to showcase your projects and skills. Online quiz app, build an app that presents quizzes to users and provides scores at the end. I have also built this during my college days. Music player, create a basic music player with play, pause, skip and volume controls. Job board, design a platform where employers can post jobs and users can apply for them. Weather forecast app, you can use an API. Booking system, create an app for booking appointment, reservation or tickets. Trello clone, online markdown editor, design an online markdown editor with real-time preview. Currency converter, language learning app, fitness tracking app, recipe sharing platform. Design a platform where users can share their favorite recipes. Real estate listing, build a real estate app to display property listing with filters and details. Task scheduler, expense sharing app, travel itinerary planner, music streaming app, job application tracker, develop an app to keep track of job applications, interviews and offers. Language translation app, online marketplace, create a platform for users to buy and sell items online. Fitness class book, interactive map, I built this during my college days. Voting app, collaborative code editor, develop an online code editor that multiple users can collaborate on real time. I'm thinking about building this. Do you want a video on this? Let me know. Virtual event platform, personal finance dashboard, recipe recommendation app, build an app that recommends recipe based on user preferences. Health monitoring app, develop an app for users to track their health metrics such as steps and calories. So let me reveal the first bonus, I just forgot. So the first bonus is there are 5 more projects, so it's not just 50, it's 55. Task automation app, create an app that automates tasks using user defined rules and triggers. Trivia quiz game, build a trivia game with various categories and difficulty levels. Book review platform, design a platform for users to review and rate books they have read. Collaborative drawing app, develop an app that allows multiple users to draw together in real time. Personal journal app, create a digital journaling app with rich text formatting and media support. Now 5 more bonuses. E-learning platform, build a platform for hosting online courses, lectures and quizzes. Camping trip planner, design an app that helps users plan and organize camping trips. Home automation control, develop an app to control and monitor smart home devices. Language exchange app, create a platform where users can practice language skills with native speakers. Renting marketplace, build an app for renting items like tools, equipments and party supplies. And the final bonus is that you can download the whole list from the link in the description. You can check out more such videos where I have shared similar projects where you can build such awesome projects by watching tutorials. You can comment which projects you like the best, which projects you are going to build and which topic you want next video.